What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, we got a 2017 VW GTI Golf, fully straight pipe right now, other than the cats, of course. We're gonna put a special muffler in the middle on it. And I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before with just straight pipe. This is with its fully straight pipe. So let me know in the comments which sound you like better, with this or the muffler. Or the muffler we're gonna put on it. It's a twister muffler, they call it. I'll have a link in the description for it, hopefully. Here's sound decibels. It is turbo. Again. It's right at 90. Again. The muffler we're gonna put on it, it's called a twister muffler. As you guys can see right there. See? It's a really cool design. That's what it looks like inside. So it's supposed to chop the air like a turbine, kind of. As you guys can see. So there it is. There's the part number on it, SUS304. Hey guys, so 2017 GTI, we let you guys hear it before with straight pipe. And now we added the twister muffler right there. Look at that. It's so cool looking. I like it. It's different, definitely different. There's a factory converter there, factory manifold converter up there. There's the twister muffler. Then it continues 2.5 all the way out, 2 1/4 out the back. Somebody else did the rest of the duals on it. And then there's the tips in the back. And the tips are resonated a little bit too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Whoa, it's twisting. Everything's twisting. Oh my God, the power of the twister muffler. All right, all joking aside, guys, here you go. Go ahead. Yeah, it sounds good. Yeah, it's smooth. It's a really clean, smooth sound. Here's sound decibels. So it didn't go much down in decibels, only 3, but it changed the tone completely. Cleaned it up. I'm still twisting. Whoa! Go ahead, back it out. I like it. It's clean. Really clean. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. WGTI with twister muffler. You saw the camera earlier. Ooh, it's twisting from all the power. Anyways, it's got a twister muffler and then a rear muffler delete. Still got the stock converters, everything else stock. It is a turbo. Snarl to it. I like it.